name is Mara and today we are making lusciously soft scrambled eggs. Remember, your dish will always be as good as the ingredients you use. It's really important to have fresh and seasonal. Yesterday at the markets I bought these beautiful organic free-range eggs. I have 4 and I'm going to crack those into the bowl. Using a fork, start to scramble. You want to break down that egg white. Now we're going to add a tablespoon of cream. I like to use cream instead of milk because it adds a bit of lusciousness and extra flavour and texture. It also doesn't separate as much as milk can. So now we continue whisking until the egg whites have broken down. You can always check, going up like this. And only right near the end of whisking, that's when we add the salt and pepper. If you add it too soon, if you start beating salt into eggs, the eggs do go rubbery. So now, let's get our pan ready. I have a non-stick pan and I'm going to heat it on a medium-high heat, not too high. We add a knob of butter, and when that is all melted and starting to sizzle, we add the eggs and turn down the temperature to a medium-low. Okay, we don't want too much colour on the butter. I'm turning down the heat and we'll add the eggs. And now it will be about a minute or two. We keep stirring. I have a silicone spatula here. The silicone spatula can take the heat and it's very good for non-stick appliances. Just keep it moving nice and gently. Near these early stages of stirring, you can sort of leave it for a second or two here and there. Just allow it to start to set. I can see it's just starting to form some image of scrambled eggs. It's just about there. At this stage, I'm going to add some freshly chopped parsley. Try to chop it up just before cooking so that it's got some flavour, colour. There's a beautiful essential oils. Okay, this is just about set. I'm turning the heat off, and do remember that it continues to cook as you put it onto the plate. And here we go. Beautiful. Lusciously soft scrambled eggs, fit for a king or queen.